2015 Range Rover HSE. I'm gonna show you how to do the front brakes. In the front, yeah, brake pads and rotors. For the back, I don't know if I'm gonna do it in a different video though, but you're gonna need a scanner. If you don't have a scanner, it's all good though. I have a video in my channel how to do that, so look it up. How to do real brakes or EPB without scanner. Look for that in my channel, okay? Shout outs to everybody in the building. Shout outs to our subscribers, viewers, what you're waiting for. Subscribe now. Get your membership too since you're down there. And this video I'm gonna put up to 30 items. Right there in the view product bar. Just click on that and you see all the products I'm using, all the items, all the tools I'm using for this job. Hey people, show your appreciation, gratitude, and return of kindness by clicking on the super thanks button right here. Right here, right here. All right. Go through it, do that. Yes, sir. Yeah, let me show you these brakes. You see it? Okay. Nothing new, nothing crazy. Let's do it. Alright, ready? This is the driver's side. Okay. Pull it all the way. Alright. See a sensor right here. Don't worry, we're getting a new one. So I'm gonna push a piston. Ooh, be careful with that. Or a bigger pry bar, more leverage. Pushing the piston now. Sure, yeah. That's good. 13 for this one right here. I'm gonna grab it over here, okay, because it's gonna spin. The same at the bottom. Okay, no biggie. Now we can remove this. Right there. This brake pad is different from the one inside, okay, because this one has a, I call it damper. I don't know if it's got right here. Okay, so you go outside. The one inside doesn't have. There's a sensor right there. Sorry. This is the damper, whatever you want to call it. Go outside. The one without it goes there. Okay, inside. Here, it's going to be 21. The bolts that hold the bracket. Here, 21. One. It's right here. There you go. That was the bracket. This thing comes with this bracket too. I'm gonna reuse the hardware unless it comes with the new ones, the brake pads. They're reusable. Okay, nothing bad. Okay, I'm just gonna brush it. Before you brush it, put some brake cleaner, so you don't breathe that debris. You know how it goes. Same on the other one. Better. You see right here is the sensor, okay, for the brake pad. See, I'm gonna put it on the side. Now you remember the this bolt? I'm gonna remove it with T50. Okay. Just like that. I'm off. Okay. Now we're gonna put the new rotor. You give the part number at the end. Alright. This hole gotta match with the little one over here. That's it. Ray Bestos silicone brake lubricant. It doesn't have to be Ray Bestos. That's a brand. Put the grease here in the, okay. Put this cut right there. Dog, 1, 2. Tight it. And brake pad right there. Comes with a sticker. But you do it after the just like that. Grab your other pad. This one comes with the well, they both come with the slot for the sensor. Okay, this one doesn't come with the sticker. This is yellow. Okay, that's how they difference yellow. You know what I'm saying over here. It's gonna go this way. Here, it's gonna come this way. There's another one. So wiggle it. It's gonna come out. Then it's gonna go this way. You just gotta follow the line, okay? This one right here. This one. Going this way. And here. Now to pop this. Alright, install the sensor once you install the caliper, alright? You don't want to break the sensor. Then go around, you know. Put it the same way the old sensor was installed. This is the part number for that sensor, made by Tetstar 9852810. Okay, part number, made in Germany. Tetstar sensor. This is for the front brakes pads, brake pads. After that, you know, put everything back though, the same way you remove it. The same. Gucci. I have to remove all of this. This is yours right here. You come through here. Cigar right there, this one. That one right there. Okay. Here's a clip. You can remove it from there. Squeeze the outside. Pull it. Okay. Connect the new one. Let me give you the part number for the front brake pads. That's a brand. That's a brand. That's a part number. All right. Then this is for the rotor. Made by Tedster. That's a part number. 922832205. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Like I did. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box. Once you replace the rotor and in the brake pads, step on the brake pedal. The first time you step on it, it's gonna be soft. Then if you keep stepping on it, it's gonna get hard. Pause. This car has a 50,000. It's about to have 51,000 miles. Once you stop stepping on the brake pedal, open the hood, go to the front, go to the engine bay, look for the brake fluid reservoir, and if you need some brake fluid, top it off. If you don't, then you're good. Road test it, and that's pretty much it. The real brakes, I'm not gonna put it in this video because it's not a long video though, but you can look it up in my channel. Show your appreciation and gratitude and return of kindness by clicking the super thanks button down here right below this video. Go through that, show your love. You know what to do. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy. Shout outs to everybody. Subscribe, like, share, comment. You want me to reach more people, share this video. I'm gonna put the tools that I use right below. Okay, so you have up to 30 items to choose from. Ratchets, soda, knee pad, brake tool, the brake tools, and all that. All right? They're gonna be delivered from local Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Target. And I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. I like you boys too. Yeah. All right. Real quick announce. Let's say you didn't install this sensor, right? You're gonna see the light. It says brake. You can drive around. That's fine. And as soon as you install the sensor, the brake pad sensor, then the light is gonna go away by itself. Okay, you don't have to reset nothing with a scanner, nothing. It's just, as you see, the brake light is gonna go away by itself. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here. Hope you like this video. All right, you know where to find me. Axtuo por un. Hey, show your appreciation and gratitude by hitting the super thanks button right below the screen, the video. Go through that, show your love. I would appreciate it. I'll leave it right here. Have a good day. Take care. Holla at your boy, Axtuo, bro. I'm out there.